Here we go. Okay, now we're recording.
Get out, Brett, get out! Get out!
Go, Brett, go! Get him over so that I can see his profile. What was that, Brett? You're silly.
Look.
And then little Miss Hunter, come here. What's wrong, baby girl? Is Brett being silly?
Mew. Look at him, Mew. He's stupid.
She says that's very silly. I'm too smart a girl to be chasing Bubbles. I don't want to get Bubbles in the table.
I'm gonna check burgers.
Brett, do you like Bubbles? Brett, honey, sit. Brett, sit. Brett, sit. Good boy. But lie down. Brett, lie down. Oh, look at me, would ya? Lie down. You're an awful good puppy. Brett. Brett. Roll over for Mom. Roll over. You're a good boy. Well, hell, you're cheating now.
I'm gonna play with you again, Brett.
You're just a cheater head. Who's my guy? Brett, where's Dad? You tell Dad. So I'm shy, Mom, I'm shy. And Hunter! Good job, Pop.